2021, and today's video topic name is explain the given five queries. Okay, so the explain the given five series. So I will explain I will explain these five queries which are given in details. So the first query is that the first query is that write a query to display the names by using the first name and last name. Okay, so the for query, for that we have to create a table which so suppose a table suppose created a table name is employees. Okay, which is available in the schema. Okay, for that query. Okay, so the query select first name, select first name and the in first name in double quote first name, comma last name is last name, and in double quote last name, and in next line from employees. So this is the first query. And the second one is so the next one is next query is that write a query to get unique employee ID from the employee table. So we have to create an employee table. So in table it contains the employee ID, first name, last name, email ID, phone number and ID name and ID number. Okay, this is the table contains this. Okay, for that we have to, and for the query so for that query is that select distinct department, select distinct employee ID, and in next line from employee. Okay, from employee. So this is the employee ID. Okay, this is the second one query. Okay, and the third one is write a query to get the details of employees from the according to the last name in the descending order. Okay, so for that so we have to create the table which is suppose a table name is employees. Okay, in that employees table contains the employee ID, first name, last name, email, contact number. These are the and the hiring date of the employees. Okay, these the table contains this information. Okay, so for to get the details of the employees from the last name in ascending order. For that we have to write a query like select star, select from table, which means the select star. Okay, from employee, from employee, and the in next line order by first name, and DESC for the descending order. Okay, so this is the query for the third one query. Okay, so then we will get the table of from containing the according to the last name in descending order. Okay, so the next query is write a query to get the employee ID name, first name, last name according to salary in ascending order from the salary. Okay, for this query we have to create a table which contains the employee ID, employee name, first name, last name, hiring date, and the another is phone number, email ID, and the salary. Okay, and the salary. Okay, so the table contains this. Okay, and the query is that select employee ID, first name, last name, and salary. Okay, from employee, from employee table. Okay, and order by salary. Okay, in the order by salary in the ascending order. Okay, so this is the fourth one query. Okay, so and so the next another query is how to write a SQL query to find max and minimum salary with the employee name and okay, so employee name. Okay, so for that we have to create a table in which employee table contains the employee ID, name, first name, last name, phone number of employee, email ID of employee, and the salary. Okay, in which the table contains this. Okay, so to find out the maximum salary along with the employees, and for that the query is select name, salary from employee, where the salary is equal to in bracket selects max in bracket salary, and in from employee. Okay, and for this query is for to get the maximum salary. Okay, and to get the maximum salary okay, and to get the minimum salary along with the employee name. Okay, so the next query is select name, comma, select salary from employee, where salary is equal to, in bracket, select minimum salary from employee. Okay, so in this way we get the queries to find out the minimum salary and the maximum salary. Okay, so these are the queries in which are given. And the another okay, queries, it is the type of the SQL, MySQL, and MySQL is founded in the 1995. Okay, and MySQL, it is used to store and retrieve the data from the database as per our requirement. Okay, so we store the data in the form of queries. Okay, in the form of tables, rows, indexes. Okay, so and for that we write the queries. Okay. So the next one query is that, write a query to get the average salary and the number of employees in the employee table. Okay, so for that we have to create a employee table. Okay, the employee table contains the employee ID, first name of employee, last name of employee, and the phone number of employee, and the email ID of employee, and the salary of the employee. Okay, so there is a serial number which we have to. Okay, for that we have to select, to write the query, select every